how it was.
Okay, so one thing that I noticed that Buddy did was back here on, I think, number 4, he pulled it out. And when he pulled it out, like, it pulled every motherfucking piece of skeleton body of the innards of the freaking wire out. Right. And he jammed it back in with a damn, well, what the fuck? So, alright, so that's right back there.
I know where number 4 is.
Okay.
Straight my ass in.
Yeah.
Right here.
Right yes, here. That's the one. Yeah, see? It pops off just like a little popsicle. Yeah. Like a little fucking...
I'm gonna get in trouble.
I don't even want to talk about
I'm
it.
funny though, but alright. Ow.
Oh my god, it's raining.
I feel this.
Rob, get in the truck.
Why?
Okay. I don't have an umbrella.
You want one?
No. Why, do you have one?
Yeah.
Do you have a golf course size one? Like,
yeah.
Dude, for real?
What color? Black or blue and white?
Blue and white?
Yeah.
What about blue and red? No?
You only have 2 choices.
Damn. Well, alright. Let's have a fashion show. It's raining. And we're trying to start the car. And my battery, my backup battery's dead.
The funniest part is,
what's up?
That damn coil,
Yeah.
the aluminum thing.
Yeah. Dude, it came out.
Yeah, I seen that.
Like, dude, don't tell me he messed that up. I'm gonna have to go buy another one. And I have no working truck to get there, so how am I supposed to go? In the rain? Walk in the rain. Walking in the motherfucking rain. Not today.
It's not all the way on it. It's not, you know what I'm saying? It's broken.
It's broke.
Yeah.
Like, there's no fixing it.
New wire wheel.
I swear. Really? The kind of shit I deal with. Huh? I know. I'm sorry. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna roll my window up. Ugh. Oh, I'm spilling my alcohol. Wait. Oh my god. Huh? Oh. We're taking recess. My truck's leaking. Damn, that's not good. Wow! It's really raining. Get in your car. Look at that. Look at that. We got a hurricane coming, yo. Think so. Trapped. I'm trapped in my trap truck at the trap house. No. It's happening. And I'm going to get flooded in here. Oh, Lord. Oh, look at that. It's like a waterfall. Whoa, that looks kind of cool. Oh, my umbrella. That's what's up, Rob. Thank you. Here, I'm going to scoot over. Jump in. Jump in, Rob.
What?
Jump in.
Huh?
Jump in.
Here's your umbrella.
Thank you. I'm not a crip, but that's okay. I don't take it offensively.
Huh?
I'm not a crip, so I don't take it offensively that it's blue. Or got blue in it. You know, my Natty Daddy can is red and black.
Oh.
And blue. So I'm bi.
Oh.
If you really think of it.
I didn't think of it.
No. I hope I... Can we still get pulled over?
Here?
Yeah, the keys are in the...
How come? It's your truck. I was just hostage.
Ah! No! Oh my gosh.
I'm a host to help! No. Yeah.
Well, this is a great way to spend a day off, sir.
I kinda
Trapped
like
in
it.
your car, at your house,
All day with a
in
sunrise.
the driveway. I didn't even have like my
Damn.
my freaking lawn chair.
Why?
I mean,
How could you be caught without a lawn chair? But you got fishing
exactly,
rods.
exactly.
Let's go fishing.
So that's what I've been trying to do all day, and I can't go anywhere because I'm trapped
In a trap house.
in a trap house in a trap truck.
Oh my god, life is funny.
Megan, are you okay? Don't blow away. I'll save you. Ooh, we might get some booty shot.
I'm thinking the same thing.
Whoa. Hey. Grr.
Damn, I like that purple umbrella.
No, for real?
Yeah, I like
Purple rain. Purple rain, dude. Purple rain.
Purple rain.
You heard me listening to it.
No.
I was going Prince style.
No, it's way before Prince. Etta James.
Really? I've never heard that version.
You never heard Etta James?
No. No.
You got the. Can you pick up music there?
On my phone?
Yeah. I'm sure you were.
I'm sure I can.
I don't know how to do that shit. But,
You mean like via YouTube?
yeah.
Probably. I think I got that app.
Hey, Etta James. Hey,
Etta James. How do you
while
spell
we're
that?
here, ETTA.
ETTA.
ET phone home.
That. Wow. Really? We had to go there.
Okay.
Oh, look. They're running like they're scared. What? What?
Oh, you got it?
Hey, it's a free shower! It's a free shower! They act like they've never seen rain.
It is actually leaking.
Yeah, dude, I'm leaking all over the place. I got leaks
Well, that's
all
not
over.
a good thing.
No, I bought it like this.
Etta James. Oh,
Okay,
so you're...
ETTA. That's like OSHA kind of like abbreviations
No,
to something.
Etta is a name.
Okay.
Like,
Okay.